これシアトルのお土産。ありがとう。スペースニードルに行った？行かなかった。スタバの1号店でコーヒー飲んだ？飲まなかった。パイクプレイスマーケットで何か食べた？食べなかった。シアトルで何した？何もしなかった。In this video, we'll talk about how to use short negative past tense verbs, like saying I did not in casual settings. We'll cover the grammar points first and then practice with examples. You can try some quizzes at the end of the video. Let's get started. Here's a comparison between the long negative past tense form and the short negative past tense form. This video focuses on the short negative past tense form of verbs. We've learned that I didn't eat in the long form is 食べませんでした. To make the short form of I didn't eat, we use the night form. The night form of eat is 食べない, and we replace ない with なかった. So the short form of I didn't eat is 食べなかった. This is pretty straightforward if you already know the night form. So if you'd like some night form review, there is a link to the night form conjugation video in the description. I didn't go in the long form is 行きませんでした. To make the short form of I didn't go, we use the night form. The night form of go is 行かない, and we replace ない with なかった. So the short form of I didn't go is 行かなかった. I didn't drink in the long form is 飲みませんでした. To make the short form of I didn't drink, we use the night form. The night form of drink is 飲まない, and we replace ない with なかった. So the short form of I didn't drink is 飲まなかった. Now let's practice with more examples. Shiro wants to say, I didn't buy anything in Tokyo. That would be, 東京で何も買わなかった。東京で何も買わなかった。Shiro wants to say, I clean every day, but I didn't do today. That would be, 毎日掃除する。でも今日はしなかった。毎日掃除する。でも今日はしなかった。Shiro wants to say, You didn't come to the party yesterday, did you? To her friend Mochi. She would say, 昨日パーティーに来なかったね。昨日パーティーに来なかったね。Now Mochi wants to respond and say, Sorry, I didn't have time. It would be, ごめん、時間なかった。ごめん、時間なかった。Please note that the short form of have is ある, and its negative form is ない. So didn't have is なかった. Let's say someone told Shiro about something she didn't know. Shiro would say, Oh really, I didn't know. That would be, あ、本当？知らなかった。あ、本当？知らなかった。Now let's try some quizzes. Which is the short negative past form for I didn't study on the weekend? Is it 週末勉強しなかった or 週末勉強しませんでした? The correct answer is 週末勉強しなかった. Please note that 勉強しませんでした is the long negative past form. Which is the short negative past form for I didn't have time? Is it 時間がありませんでした or 時間がなかった? The correct answer is 時間がなかった. Remember that the negative form of ある is ない. Can you say I didn't know in the short negative past form? The answer is 知らなかった. Today we learned how to use short negative past tense verbs. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。